Good morning, everyone. This is Esther with Ester Buys Houses. Just giving you a quick update. For those of you that don't know me, I am an investor here in El Paso. My husband and I, ever since we moved here in '05, we loved it. He was in the military in the Marine Corps, and I'm coming from Florida. You guys are the nicest people ever. So I am really proud to be here and getting to know you guys. I am an investor, like I said, and I do buy properties as is, and I buy them and sell them all around here in El Paso. So if you're one that are interested in selling your house, I have some solutions for you. I can probably help you out. We don't know until we talk to each other. There is no sales pitch or obligations because I don't believe in that. So give me a call. Maybe we can work something out. Maybe I can help you out. My number is 915-247-8882. Again, 915-247-8882. Looking forward to talking to you. You guys take care, and I will talk to you later. Bye.